Hi, today I'm gonna show how to touch off a tool and this machine has the Brother Studio 650 XT1. So to touch off a tool is very easy, and this one, so we have the probe right here. I already put the drill in the spindle. So now, in case you need to change any tool, you're gonna select manual. Then you're gonna turn off the pallets. Sometimes you'll see this option. You could just click here and the other options will appear. So you know, two pallets, and then the option will come up. Pallet 1, pallet 2, oh, pallet 1 and 2, pallet 2, pallet 1, pallet off. We're gonna do pallet off. So once we got pallet off, we go back to memory and we type the tool number that we're gonna touch. In this case it's number 2. We do 2 and then that program will pop up. Now basically it's ready to go. It's pretty much it. That's it. You can. I like to do this one, but you don't have to. You can just activate the palette again. In this case, I'm working on palette 1, so I'm gonna put palette 1. Go back my memory. Reset it. I like to reset it. And then, even though I see the program like that, but it's gonna run the other program. The one is the program that is in palette 1. So it's ready to go. Well, that's the spatter, but should be fine the drill. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope this video helps somebody. If it does, give it a like or write a comment or whatever. Alright. Have a good day.